Ever feel trapped in a loop of endless overthinking? You're not alone. Perfectionism can be a sneaky barrier preventing you from even starting. It often tricks you into believing that everything must be flawless from the outset, which can make the thought of beginning any task feel overwhelming. This mindset can lead to procrastination as you wait for the perfect time or conditions, which rarely arrive. Instead of focusing on progress or learning through trial and error, you might find yourself stuck in a cycle of planning without action. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and learn along the way. Starting with imperfections is better than not starting at all. It's the overwhelming fear of not getting it right the first time, that deep-rooted anxiety and apprehension which holds us back from even trying in the first place. Imagine spending hours envisioning the perfect outcome, yet never taking the first step. This cycle of overthinking can paralyze progress, making it difficult to move forward with confidence. When caught in this loop, decisions become daunting, and even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. It's essential to recognize this pattern and find ways to break free. By doing so, you can regain clarity and start taking small, manageable steps towards your goals. Remember, progress doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent. But what if the key to success is simply starting, even if it's not perfect? Consider the possibility that taking the first step may lead to opportunities and experiences that refine your journey over time. By embracing the process, you allow room for growth and improvement, which can be more rewarding than waiting for the perfect moment that might never come. Starting now could open doors to unexpected paths, each offering new lessons and skills. Remember, every great accomplishment begins with a single action, and perfection is often a journey, not a destination. Taking action, even imperfectly, leads to growth and learning. It's important to remember that mistakes aren't failures. They're like stepping stones that guide us towards success. Every error is a chance to learn, grow, and eventually achieve our goals. Every single action you take, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem at the moment, breeds a sense of confidence and clarity within you. This newfound confidence and clarity then act as a guiding light, illuminating the path forward and paving the way for future achievements that might have once seemed out of reach. Consider this. Every successful person started somewhere, often with missteps. But those missteps taught them invaluable lessons. By acting now, you open doors to opportunities and insights you never imagined. This moment is the beginning of a journey filled with possibilities, a path that leads to new horizons and untapped potential. Embrace the change and let it guide you to places you've never been before, both in your personal and professional life. Each step you take brings you closer to a future brimming with excitement, growth, and discovery. Start small. Set achievable goals to break the cycle of overthinking. Embrace the good enough mindset where progress matters more than perfection. Deadlines can be your ally, pushing you into action and out of hesitation. They serve as an ever-present reminder of the goals you set for yourself, encouraging you to prioritize tasks and make the most of your time. Embrace the challenge they present, as deadlines can transform procrastination into productivity and uncertainty into decisive progress. Remember, perfection is an illusion. By focusing on progress and understanding the journey ahead, you gradually shift your mindset from fear to empowerment. This transformation is not just about reaching goals, but also about embracing the small victories along the way. Every small step you take forward is a victory in itself, bringing you incrementally closer to achieving the goals you've set for yourself in life. Reflect on today's insights. By starting now, you unlock your potential and set the stage for future success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and with each step, we move forward, embracing challenges and opportunities that come our way, learning and growing with every experience as we progress towards our destination. Why not take that step today? Your call to action. Begin your journey now. Embrace imperfection and take that first step. Together, let's embark on a journey, moving beyond the confines of overthinking and stepping boldly into a vast and vibrant world of endless possibilities, where each step unveils new opportunities and adventures. We are changing the planet step by step, one small microcosm at a time. Stay tuned, there's more to come.